To use a Costco gift card without membership. Start by understanding the basics of how Costco operates. Costco is a membership-based warehouse club that offers discounted prices on bulk purchases of various products. However, they do allow non-members to shop using a gift card. First, ensure you have a valid Costco gift card. You can purchase these cards from Costco warehouses or online, and they can be used by anyone, regardless of membership status. The gift card must have a balance to make purchases. When you arrive at the Costco warehouse, proceed to the membership desk and inform them that you want to shop using a gift card. They will provide you with a temporary shopping pass, which you will need to enter the warehouse. Once inside, you can browse the various products and make your selections. Keep in mind that some services, such as pharmacy and optical services, may not be available to non-members, even with a gift card. At the checkout, inform the cashier that you are using a gift card to make your purchase. They will ask for the gift card and process the payment accordingly. Ensure that the gift card balance covers the total cost of your purchase, as you cannot use other payment methods to supplement the gift card. It is essential to note that shopping with a gift card without membership has some limitations. You will not be able to use Costco services such as online shopping, and you will not have access to the Costco pharmacy or other member-exclusive services. To maximize your shopping experience, consider the following best practices. Make a list of the items you want to purchase to ensure you stay within your gift card balance. Additionally, be aware of any sales tax or other fees that may apply to your purchase. In summary, using a Costco gift card without membership is a straightforward process. By understanding the basics of Costco gift cards and following the steps outlined, you can shop at Costco without a membership and take advantage of their discounted prices. Just remember to inform the staff that you are using a gift card, and ensure you have sufficient balance to cover your purchases.